We're back. So now we're working on the handle out of my way. Here we go. So work on my head. I'm going to put the rocker box on this before I put the whole thing together. So I need a couple things to do that with. Some of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those. I need a spacer plate. Otherwise known as my gasket, my aluminum gasket. I like these aluminum gaskets. They work really, really well. So I use them for everything. Okay. Goop. Magic goop. If you got time to use it, use it. If you don't have time to use it, I don't use it. I don't care if it leaks a little all out. Doesn't bother me any. It's more important to get it back together and make another pass than it is to worry about oil leaks. I only worry about them when it's new. Alright, don't overdo it. Okay, that goes on there. This goes on top of that. These hold it together. Make sure all these bolt holes line up. It. How about that one? The spring pressure pushes it this way, so I always push it that way initially. These still work. They appear to be working just fine. Good enough. Okay, we'll torque them down a little bit more here in a little bit. Okay. Don't worry about the intake right now. Okay, my head gasket. Can's empty. I have no idea where my good can is because I don't know where all my racing stuff is. So we're going to use this one. So we got got. Use what you got, because that's all we got. Where's our head bolts at? Those are kind of important. I also got to get a couple other things lined up here before we jump ahead here. Okay, we need some O-rings for in here. Oh, got them in there. Okay, those are in there. That's good. Okay, we got to figure out our push rod situation here. So we got two different push rods here, and I forget which one's which right now. One is one, one's the other. I know that. They're too mixed up now to know which one's which. So maybe I marked them. Of course, I probably just wiped it off, but who knows? They don't appear to be marked. Nope. So it looks like it's going to go together how it goes, and we'll see what it looks like later. Yeah, they all look identical. Let's see. This one's more beat up, so I'm going to call this the back one. Sounds like a good method to me. Okay, those have to go in right now. We still need 4 head bolts, which are missing. Oh, they're right over here in front of me. They're over here. Head bolts. These are just stock Sportster head bolts. Well used. Every few years I'll replace them. When the heads start getting a little rounded, I replace them. They work just fine other than that. We got an oil line we've got to deal with here. Looks fine. Okay, this stuff all goes on the other side of the bike. So we need to go on the deal with the other side of the bike. So you're going to be on this side, I'm guessing. I'm going to be on the other side. I get a lot of stuff lined up here. Hardware. This is not working very well. There we go. Now it works. So get all our bolts lined up that we're going to use. Then you get our tools lined up. Here's the push rods and oil line we're going to use. Got the torque wrench right here. Got the speed wrench right here, in case I need it. And where is the torque wrench? There's that one. And usually we have a carbonator put on the vehicle at this time also, which we're going to have to deal with slightly. Over here, that'd be that thing right there. This needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Head's already cleaned up. Got the 4 bolts for the intake. And over there, so don't lose them. Okay, this appears to be good enough for me to put on. And this kind of goes into here. That's why you work from the other side of the bike. There's no room to go in from this side. We don't have the jets yet, so we're not sure what the jets are going to be. We at least got to get this where it fits into here. Kind of. like that. So we'll leave that right there. And that might take the short socket, not the long one. Okay, what else do we need? A little gasket goop. And I think that is about it for me. 7/16. Assembly lube, paint. Okay, we've got a lot of stuff here. First thing I do is get the bolts oiled up. Put assembly lube on your bolts. So I'm going to do all of those down here. Well, I ain't got the motor mount stuff yet. I need all that too. I forgot about that. Forgetting half the stuff. Alright. Lubricate your balls a little bit. Last thing you want is dry balls. Okay, balls are lubed. Extra on the top ones. Alright, all this stuff goes on the other side. Okay. Yep, that's fine. Bolts are right there. We got those. Loop goes there. Okay, I need a top motor mount. Gonna need that. Top motor mount bolt. Gonna need that. A little bit of lube on that also. Everything gets lube. You notice that? That's how it works. That there, that there. I forget. Oh, this is for the kicker cover. I was trying to figure what that did. Okay. I think we got everything else we need for now. Okay. Paint. Okay. One head. Hope there's enough paint to do the job. I'll do something for tomorrow or weekend too. I might need more. Not much anyway. Come on, don't run out now. Come on. There we go. Running out of paint. I think that's about the last time we'll be able to use that. I got a little paint on the cylinder, I don't care about that. Go ahead and run it down the cylinder slightly. Wipe off the excess up on top. Put the piston right back up there again. Okay, head's ready to go on it. Head's gonna go on. It goes over there. I think I got everything I need. Need a rag. And we'll find out what's missing when I get on the other side. Probably something. down. Take some oil off that thing. You got a short time to get this done because of the paint. That was gritty. What was up with that? Like there's rocks in there or something. Oh, I forgot the push rod, you dumbass. I'm out of practice. Good view of my elbow. Forgot the push rods. They gotta go in before the head goes down. I didn't like all that grit noise either. It was kind of gritty. I don't know what that was. Never had that noise before. Probably not any more paint. It's already stuck. What the hell was all that grit noise? I don't know what the grit noise was, but we need more paint. We're regritted. We're re-gooped up.